Look at this guy, just eats it. Watch this. Big chip. Hey. Picks it up. Then looks around. Then, oh. And when these guys come over, he's trying to get the hell out of my way. Oh, you better get it. It just swallows it.
They scared it out.
Scatter shot.
Hey, yo, Christina, what up? Yo, I'm called this.
Cigarette. Harry.
We're waiting for Dylan to show up right now. Got some food. And I ate that.
Got some pot.
And yeah, so anyways. Alright, so I just got home. Now I'm eating some late dinner and having a cup of coffee.
So you guys had a good relationship.
Watching the A&E channel.
Truly.
Yep, pretty much what we're doing now. Hey, what's going on, guys? So that wraps up today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. Add me on Facebook, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is tomorrow. Also, rate my video. Give me a like or dislike, whichever one you think is needed. And comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video. And most importantly, I know I just said it, but subscribe if you're new to see these videos. My name is Perry Tomczyk, and I'm signing out. Peace out, guys. Stay awesome.